ነገር ያርጋችሁ ብሎ ነው የተናገረው። ስለዚህ በዚህ ነገር ላይ እሷ እኔ ዋሸ የምትለኝ ከሆነ ፊት ለፊት ከሆነ ሰው ጋር አብረን ቁጭ ብለን እንነጋገር እያለ ነው። he's saying let's talk about it. አፍራ ስለዚህ አይደለም ብላ ማውራት ትችላለች። ከሆነች ግን ትደበቃለች። ከሆነች ትደበቃለች። ካልሆነች ግን she can talk to her. It's not a problem to talk to someone if she's not guilty.
I swear to God.
If she's not guilty, she can talk to him.
Do you know when you go to the restaurant? You go to the restaurant. For example, when you go to the restaurant, Yoni, imagine when you sit in your dining table or on the table, and then they bring for you a nice food. This is what is show for the people. But they don't see, for example, how is the kitchen is dirty or clean.
How the kitchen and stuff like that.
Yeah, the kitchen is too. Yeah, her kitchen is too dirty.
Yeah.
I was too close. You know, I was too close to them. I was too close. You know that. And I know how they cook the food.
Wow. The problem. አንዳንዴ ሬስቶራንት ሄደ ምግብ ጠጣይ ኦርደር አድርገ የበሰለው ምግብ ብቻ ነው የምታየው። ኪችን ላይ ምን ሰርተው እንደሚያመጡ ኪችኑን እንኳን ማየት አትችልም። ስለዚህ እሷ እያደረገች ያለችው ምንድነው? ውስጥ ምን ነጋገረውን ተቀመምና ታመጣና ታስገባልኛለች ይላል። እና ለዚህ ነው ብዙ ሰዎች እሷ ጨዋ እንደሆነች እኔ ደግሞ ስም ለማጥፋት እንደመጣው አድርገው አስዩ የሚያደርጉ ለዛ ነው። ግን ያ ካልሆነ ግን ሁለታችንም በፕላትፎርም ላይ ተቀምጠን ሁለታችንም ዲስከስ እናድርግ ይላል። That's what he said.
Yeah. And who is the person or the waiter who is giving the people the food is Deborah. And I'm very sad for her because she is in this position.
Yeah.
Yani, I know her very well. She is a good person. And I wish her to review herself, and I wish her to back again like before, like previous.
He's good with Deborah. ስለ ዲቦራ እያወራ አይደለም ቤተሰብ። ኧረ በእናታችሁ ቋንቋ በትንሽ ልመዱ፣ እንደው በፈጠራችሁ በስሱም እንኳን ልመዱ። እስቲ ተሳስታችሁ ወይ ኮሌዎች ግን ስቃያችንን አበዙ።
And I'm sure if she come back again, she will find Debo and all her previous fans around her.
And of course, don't understand English. I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. Her fans ain't gonna speak English whatsoever. They stopped schooling when they were like 7th grade. I'm sorry, they don't understand what you're talking about or what I'm talking about.
Exactly.
So
this is big problem.
Yeah, it's a big problem. So you gotta find out how to speak Amharic that you can understand.
It's a big challenge.
Yeah, bro. It's hard.
By the way, thank you to give me a chance to talk a little with you.
Keep it up, stay strong. Debo is a good person, I will tell you that. Deborah is a good person. I know her. She's a good person. And you are a good person as well. Just try to figure out the things you have a problem with, especially with the Betayo. Just tell her, this is the situation. I want three of us, to talk about it and see what's going on. So that
for the people they are writing, you broke your promise. No, I'm not talking bad about Deborah. I'm giving only advices.
No, they don't understand. Somebody translate for them. That's why they're writing there.
Yeah, I'm giving advices for her.
The one you did, you remember? You write it by translating the English word with Amharic, right? They're doing exactly the same thing. They don't even know how to write it. If it is her fans, I know already. I know.
No, sometimes I'm using two platforms to make sure what I want to arrive to the people is giving a little bit close to what I want to say.
Yeah.
So the problem in translation. But by the way, I'm talking today to give her advice only. Okay.
All right.
This is her choice in the end. Okay.
You're right. Absolutely. I'm with you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you everyone for hearing. Thank you.
Oh,
Bye.
most definitely. Bye.
I appreciate. Thank you.
Absolutely. እያለ ያለው ከዲቦራ ጋር ምንም ችግር የለብንም። ሪሌሽንሺፓችንን በፊት አቁመን ራሱ በሰላም ነው ያለ ነው። በእኛ መካከል የገባችው ግን ቤታዮ ናት ብሎ እያለ ነው። እሷ ደግሞ የምታደርገው በውስጥ ስንጻጻፍ የኔም ብቻ እያሳየች እኔ መጥፎ ሰው እንደሆንኩ ብዙ ጊዜ እየመጣች ኤክስፖዝ ታደርገኛለች። ይሄ ደግሞ ኢትስ ኖት ሄር ፕሌስ እያለ ነው። የእሷ ቦታ አይደለም። እሱና ዲቦራ ከሆነ ሪሌሽንሺፓቸው ቤታዮ ምንም አይመለከታት። ችግሩ ያለው ቤታዮ ጋር ነው እያለ ነው። ስለዚህ እኔ በማየው ከሆነ ከዲቦራ ጋር ችግር ከሌለበት ይሄ ሰውዬ ምንም አይነት ችግር ከሌለባት ከቤታዮ ጋር ችግር ካለ ካየ ናው ይገር ኳስችን ማናችሁም ብትሆኑ በሱ ቦታ ብትሆኑ ኳስችን ታረጋላችሁ። ስለዚህ ያለው እሷ ጋር ለምን ይጽፋል? ምክንያቱም ችግሩ እሷ ስለሆነች። ችግሩ እሷ ባትሆን አይጽፍም ነበረ። ችግር ባትሆንማ አይጽፍም። ስለዚህ የሚያውቀው ነገር አለ ከመሬት። ለምን ሌሎች ጋር አይጽፍም ታዲያ? እንዴ ሌሎች ጋር እነ ዜድ አሉ፣ ሌሎችም አሉ። የዲቦራ ጓደኞች አብራጌ የምትጫወታቸው ሌሎች ሰዎች አሉ። ለምን ሌሎች ጋር አይጽፍም? ስለዚህ የጻፈው እሷ ጋር ከሆነ there is something። ስለዚህ እሷ ደግሞ ቀጥታ መነጋገር ከፈለገች ለምንድን ነው የማታናግረው? ለምንድን ነው በዛ ደረጃ የምትጠላው? ከእሷ ጋር ችግር ከሌለበት ለምንድን ነው ቤታዮ የምትጠላው? ከእሷ ጋር ፍቅረኛው አይደለም ምነው አይደለም። ስለዚህ ያ ነገርን ፊክስ ብታረገው ጥሩ ነው። ፊክስ ብታረገው ጥሩ ነው። ትላንት ከእንትና ጋር ምንም አይነት ችግር እንደሌለበት ተናግረዋል። በእውነት ከዲቦራ ጋር ምንም ችግር የለብንም። ኢቭን አለ ሪሌሽንሽፕ ካቆመን ሎንግ ታይም ነው። ከዛ በኋላ ብራዘርሊ ሲስተርሊ ጓደኛሞች ነን። ምንም ችግር የለብንም። ምንም በቃ they're good ሪሌሽንሽፕ ጨርሰን ራሱ we don't got a problem እሱ ነው ያለው። እኔ እያልኳችሁ አይደለም። ውሸታም ለምትሉ እንግሊዘኛ ለምታውቁ እንግሊዘኛ ለማታውቁ አምሰዋል። እንግሊዘኛ ለማታውቁ ምንም ማድረግ አልችልም። እንግሊዘኛ ለምታውቁ ግን እዚህ ጋር ላዳመጣችሁ የሚለውን በደንብ ሰምታችኋል። እማታውቁና እሷ ባለችው የምትተረጉሙ ከሆነ it's a problem the biggest problem እኔ እንዲያው ሶስት ሆነው ገብቶ ዲያቦን አይቼዋለሁ። እዛ ቦታ ላይ መማር ነበረች፣ ዲያቦ ነበረ፣ ቤታዮ ነበረች እና there is somebody else, there's someone else that was who was there. There were 4 people together. He was speaking English, they couldn't speak with him. እንዲያው መማር ትንሽዬ የሆነ ነገር ማለት ፈልጎ ነው ብላ ተናገረች። there were 4 of them. አራት ሆኖ ሲያናግሩ he was talking in English ሙድ እያያዘችበት ነበር በአማርኛ እያደረገች። if he was speaking English, speak English. if he speak Amharic, speak Amharic. Roman, yes, Roman, ቤታዮ what's her name መማር አንድ ላይ ሆነው ዲያቦ was there. He was trying to speak and ቤታዮ couldn't understand what he was talking. English. Really amazing. But when it came to her, Jesus Christ. When was the last time you heard her say anything whatsoever? When was the last time? You will never hear anything about English, man. We brag. We talk. We got no problem. What we can do in English, we got no issues because I live here. This is where I live in America. This is the saddest truth we're going to talk about. What is the problem? talking to him in English. There's two of them, exactly the same way. Roman and Victoria. Roman lived in London for 25 years. She barely speak English, barely. Victoria about 15 years in America, man. We don't even have an accent. Because I was speaking English for a long time. We don't got no accent. You shouldn't have any accent whatsoever anyways. Man, so that being said, you gotta change a little bit. You gotta change a little bit. ያ ስለዚህ አሁንም የምለው ምንድን ነው ይሄ ሰው በኢትዮጵያ ላይ ጥላቻ እንዲኖረው ማድረግ የለብንም። You know, he was born in Addis. He's one of us. He's one of us. He loves Ethiopians. He helping Ethiopians when he comes to playing, games. He support everybody. We cannot go against him. He's one of us. We're supposed to help him. What's going on? He want to be heard. የሚያዳምጠው ሰው ነው የፈለገው። የሚያዳምጠው ለምንድን ነው የምናገለው? እንግሊዘኛ ስለሚችል የኛዎቹ እንግሊዘኛ ጨዋ ስለሆኑ ጨናጨን ስለማይለዩ ከሶስተኛ ከአራተኛ ክፍል ትምህርት ስላቆሙ ወንድማችንን አናገለው። He is very smart. Everything. እንዴ በደንብ ገንዘብ ያለው የተማረ ምን ያለ ወንድ ነው። ስለዚህ sometimes ገና ለገና ወደናል ብለው ሰዎች ሲያጠፉ you gotta tell them, hey, what's going on? It has nothing to do with you. What's up? የሚል ጥያቄዎች ቢኖሩ መልካም ናቸው። መልካም። ስለዚህ ብዙ ጊዜ ባየሁት these two people, honest to God, these two, Roman and her, they attack people altogether. Social media, the two people always attack because they think they are funny. Birds.